Nimisha Priya is under the custody of Houthi militia. Iran government has offered facilitating release of Nimisha Priya.
यमन में एक भारतीय महिला नर्स निमिषा प्रिया को सजाए मौत दी गई। इसके बाद इस मामले ने खूब तूल पकड़ा, लेकिन अब गुरुवार 13 फरवरी को संसद में भी इस मुद्दे को उठाया गया। राज्यसभा में सीपीआईएम के सांसद डॉक्टर जॉन ब्रिटास ने इस मामले में सरकार से सवाल पूछा। डॉक्टर ब्रिटास ने कहा कि पहले इस मामले में कैबिनेट मंत्री ने कहा था कि निमिषा प्रिया का मामला हमारे लिए प्राथमिकता है, हम इस मुद्दे पर पूरी तरह से ध्यान दे रहे हैं, लेकिन विदेश राज्य मंत्री ने कहा कि यह पूरा मामला पीड़ित और निमिषा प्रिया के परिवार के बीच का मामला है। राज्यसभा में जॉन ब्रिटास के जवाब में विदेश राज्य मंत्री कीर्तिवर्धन सिंह ने कहा, निमिषा प्रिया के परिवार के अनुरोध के अनुसार विदेश मंत्रालय के खाते के माध्यम से पीड़ित परिवार को $40,000 हस्तांतरित किए गए थे। जाहिर है कि इस मामले में जब विदेश मंत्रालय की ओर से हस्तक्षेप किया गया और धनराशि दी गई तो अब दोनों परिवारों के बीच आगे की कार्रवाई को लेकर बातचीत जारी है। ये मामला बेहद संवेदनशील है क्योंकि ये एक भारतीय महिला की जिंदगी और मौत का सवाल है। कीर्तिवर्धन सिंह ने आगे कहा कि जब ये मामला ट्रायल कोर्ट में चल रहा था तब हमने इंडियन वेलफेयर कम्युनिटी फंड की ओर से उनके लिए एक वकील की व्यवस्था की जो उनके लिए केस लड़ सके। हालांकि इसके बाद सीपीआईएम सांसद डॉक्टर जॉन ब्रिटास ने कहा कि यमन के कानून के मुताबिक पीड़ित परिवार और निमिषा प्रिया का परिवार एक दूसरे से नहीं मिल सकता, सरकार को यहां पर हस्तक्षेप करना चाहिए था। इसके बाद उन्होंने सवाल करते हुए कहा कि ऐसी रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं कि निमिषा प्रिया हूती विद्रोहियों की कस्टडी में है। ऐसे में ईरान ने ऑफर किया है कि वे निमिषा प्रिया की रिहाई के लिए हाथ आगे बढ़ाएंगे। इस बारे में भारत सरकार को क्या पता है? हालांकि इस सवाल के जवाब में विदेश राज्य मंत्री ने ईरान की मदद के ऑफर पर कुछ नहीं कहा। उन्होंने कहा कि ये बहुत संवेदनशील मुद्दा है और भारत सरकार इसमें हर संभव कदम उठा रही है। निमिषा प्रिया के परिवार ने पावर ऑफ अटॉर्नी को नियुक्त किया है। उन्हें एक वकील दिया गया है जो उनकी मदद कर रहा है। आपको बता दें कि इससे पहले यमन ने स्पष्ट किया था कि निमिषा प्रिया की फांसी को यमन के राष्ट्रपति रशद अल अलीमी ने अभी मंजूरी नहीं दी थी। यमनी दूतावास ने उन रिपोर्ट्स का खंडन किया जो अन्यथा सुझाव देती थी। यमनी दूतावास के मुताबिक इस मामले को हूती न्यायिक प्रणाली द्वारा नियंत्रित किया जा रहा है। यह अपराध उत्तरी यमन में हुआ जिस पर हूतियों का नियंत्रण है और जिस जेल में निमिषा प्रिया को रखा गया है वह भी उनके अधिकार क्षेत्र में आता है। आपको बता दें कि यमन में निमिषा प्रिया को साल 2017 में गिरफ्तार किया गया था और 2020 में उन्हें सजाए मौत सुनाई गई थी। निमिषा प्रिया मामले में संसद में क्या बहस हुई, क्या सवाल जवाब हुए, चलिए ये आपको पूरा सुनवाते हैं।
I have returned after my walkout. Let me register here. Sir, I need your protection, sir. Sir, I need your protection. You told me that you will compensate. Please compensate in the form of protection.
John, you are one of the very learned members. You seek protection of the chair because I'll be leaving and
Sir,
is coming.
Yes, sir.
So
sir,
protection of the chair you are seeking.
Sir, hope, sir, he will also protect me and compensate me.
Please put your question, John.
Sir, you have to compensate, Chairman. Please. Sir, I am shocked at the answer given by the Minister of State. He has clearly contradicted the stand taken by the Cabinet Minister. Can the Minister of State contradict the statement of the Cabinet Minister? That's my first observation. While coming to the supplementary, sir, this is with regard to the assassination sentence given to one of the hapless Malayali women in Yemen. Keralites have been agitated over it. An action committee has been formed. Even Kerala government has written to the government of India. An honorable cabinet minister wrote to me on 27th February. He told me that the government is at it, and he said that I assure you that welfare of Indians abroad is of highest priority for government of India, and Ms. Nimisha Priya's case will continue to receive our full attention. This was the assurance given by the cabinet minister. Now see, sir, the answer given by the Minister of State. The matter regarding any consideration of release of Nimisha Priya is a matter between family of the deceased and Nimisha Priya's family. The government of India has washed off its hands. Can the government of India be that insensitive in a matter which agitate Keralites.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Suresh Gopi also
Thank
is
you.
there. He's with me. So my question, supplementary question is that, is it not a fact that the Action Committee had approached the government of India and arranged $40,000 through the MEA so that the negotiators can be roped in to ensure the release of Nimisha
Thank
Priya?
you. Thank
If
you.
so,
Thank
how
you.
can the government of India, in the form of
Thank
an
you.
answer given by Minister of State,
Thank you, John
wash
Mukherjee.
off its hands?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'd like to say that this question has come in an unstarred form thrice in the Lok Sabha previously and twice in this House. And constantly, the reply of the government of India has been on these lines. So the Honorable Minister has also been persistently following up this case, and which is understandable because it's a very sensitive matter and relates to a person of his state. Sir, I would like to point out that when the Honorable Member was saying that I have contradicted the Cabinet Minister, so he read just part of the answer. So, with your permission, may I continue with the other part which the Honorable Member
Please.
did not read, either knowingly or unknowingly. So the answer given to the House by the Ministry clearly says in the second part that the government accords the highest priority for the welfare of Indians abroad and provides all possible support to those who fall in distress, including in the instant case. The government of India, sir, is providing all possible assistance in this case. And the Honorable Member just mentioned.
Please let him reply.
Yes. Oh,
Let him reply.
I will, sir, let me, please allow me. Sir, the matter regarding any consideration towards the release of Miss Nimisha Priya is between the family of the deceased and Miss Nimisha Priya's family. Now, as the facts of the case go, sir, this lady in question has already been sentenced to death by the Supreme Court of Sana. She's already been sentenced to death. So their family approached us, and as the statement goes, we provided all possible assistance. We arranged for the mother, Miss Nimisha Priya, to go to Yemen, although there's a travel ban on that country. After that, as the Honorable Member pointed out, so the Government of India, so we arranged the transfer of $40,000 upon the written request of the family and facilitated the financial transfers as requested by the family to Sana. The money was transferred immediately after it was received in the ministry's account, and it was made available to the families. Now, the further process that is happening is obviously between the victim's family and the family of Ms. Nimisha Priya. So I would also like to impress on the August House and the honorable members, sir, that this is a very serious and sensitive matter. It deals with the life and death of an Indian national. And sir, it would, again, I like to underline this, that it would not be conducive to discuss the matter further, as the matter is highly sensitive, and it can also impact the outcome of the case and the efforts that are being made by Ms. Nimisha Priya's family. So, sir, these are the, sir, regarding the assistance provided by Government of India, I would also like to state that following the initial conviction of Ms. Nimisha Priya in the trial court, we arranged a lawyer through the Indian Community Welfare Fund. He was paid through the ICWF for taking up her case in the higher courts in Yemen. The appointed lawyer contested the conviction in both the appeals court and the Supreme Court, and has also been in touch with the family and the power of attorney holder by the family. Sir, as a government, as a responsible government who takes care of its citizens, we have taken all possible measures, we have done all possible, given all possible assistance in this matter, and it is now between any consideration, any discussion can only happen between the family of the deceased and Ms. Nimisha Priya's family. Thank you.
Thank you. John Brittasi, keeping the sensitivity of the matter, second supplementary briefly.
Sir, I'm quite aware about the
I know,
nuances in
but
this
put
case.
your second supplementary briefly,
But
keeping
I'm
that
afraid,
mind.
sir, the Minister of State is either misguided or rather...
Please put your question.
Sir, my question. when he says that it is between these two families, deceased and Nimisha Priya's family, is it not a fact that, as per Yemenis laws, the deceased family and Nimisha Priya's family cannot interact directly? That is Yemenis law. You need to have a negotiator there, Honorable Minister. That is the law of Yemen. And further, sir, in these cases, blood money is important. That is the only solution to resolve this very burning issue. Sir, my last question.
Thank you.
There have been reports in the media that Nimisha Priya is under the custody of Houthi militia, and Iran government has offered facilitating release of Nimisha Priya. Is the government of India aware of it?
It's very
Has the
sensitive
government
matter.
of India worked on it?
Very sensitive matter. Thank you.
I know, sir.
Please. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, when the honorable member is talking about other countries, so I'd just like to state again that we are providing all possible assistance in this case. It is a highly sensitive matter, and we have to take into account the safety and security of the person in question. So, further discussions, again, I'd say that can only impact the outcome. So, like I said before, this question...
Please, no interruption, Mr. John Brittas.
Sir, regarding the discussion between, as the Honourable Minister pointed out, as per the Yemeni laws, sorry, as the member pointed out, as per the Yemeni laws, sir, the family of Nimisha Priya, they have appointed a power of attorney. And they have been given a lawyer with our assistance. And they're carrying out these assistance. They're carrying out the discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.